What's up, my good people? Welcome to ICO Reviews, and I present to you Friend, world's first decentralized open source and device independent computer. They are having their ICO and it's live, and you can get 15% bonus. Well, I'm doing a review on Friend, and I'm going to tell you a lot of good things that I've found out about Friend and why you should consider getting involved in this ICO. Now, to get the ball rolling, let's go down. There's going to be an explainer video about Friend, which I'm going to play for you. You're going to know more what it's all about. And they have their partners on the Friend. And if you don't know Golem, you may have to check it out. Golem, these guys are huge, and he's a critical on his own, and it's all about supercomputer. Huawei, I hope I pronounce it well. So another this company they're partnering with. This is the roadmap. You can check it out. Now, all the total token they have, the Friend token they have, is going to be 2 billion, ladies and gentlemen, and the symbol is FRND. 1,640,000,000 is going for sale, and one Friend is going to be 0.00 Ethereum. So the minimum Ethereum token you can contribute is 0.1 Ethereum. Now, let's go down. These are the guys behind it, the team member. You can see him, and you can see this guy too, and all this. I'm going to play you a video about this guy, and you're going to see him by yourself. These are the advisors and evaluators. This is what you can see about the website. Well, there's more we can see. There's more to see. They have a whole bunch of guys here who are the advisors. I mean, a whole lot of them. Even click on their team members here. A whole lot. It's a community on its own. Now, let's go here. I'm taking you to ICO Max, and they have 8.9 over 10. ICO profile 8.5, social activity 10 over 10. The team is 10 over 10. Domain score 6, and the rest. Now let's go to the white paper. This white paper is well put together, well detailed. I've gone through the white paper, and I can assure you this is not a copy and paste white paper. It is well written by themselves. So I encourage you to go through the white paper and read it for yourself. You can confirm if you have any software that check if a white paper is unique. You can just check by yourself. There's also software, even online, you can check if an essay or a white paper is unique. Just check for plagiarism, and you can just copy it and place it on the software online and check if it is unique or not. Now, one thing again I would like to do is this. Now let me play you the explainer video. See what Friend is all about.
Have you ever emailed yourself a file to take home, only to find that you're missing the right application to open it? Imagine if your files and applications were always accessible. Wouldn't that make you feel freer? You could work from anywhere, using any device. What makes us different? Our core values of freedom, intelligence, integration, privacy, and empowerment. These form the cornerstone of the Friend ideal to give users worldwide access.
That is exactly what FriendUp provides today. Here it is, an operating system designed to work on any device and provide you with all the data, software, and power you need to use daily. Friend is platform agnostic. Unlike Chrome OS or Mac OS, Windows or Linux-based operating systems, our core features work on any platform. We have built the Friend Store to enable anyone to create virtually any type of application and deploy it to companies and users quickly. Friend is already operational, and we have partnered with high-profile investors and received support from the Norwegian government's fund, Investinor, to bring this unified experience to the world. Hove, one of Norway's largest medical record companies, already uses Friend to handle online patient data. With our secure encrypted technology, they are now able to access patient data digitally without fears of hacking. To ensure its capabilities are accessible to all, Friend are working with EY and the Norwegian government to ensure compliance with all legal and tax aspects. We are now issuing the first Norway-based initial contribution offering to the public. Our intention with the funding is simple: to grow the Friend platform into something that millions around the world can enjoy. Become a contributor of this revolutionary new technology and make history by helping us bring the future to millions of people. Visit us at friendup.cloud.
So you can see what it's all about. You know, there's operating system like Mac.
The excitement.
We have for Windows, we have for Linux or Ubuntu as they call it. Each one has its own limitation. I love Linux, Ubuntu, because you can't really virus doesn't really attack Linux or Ubuntu. It may not have been easy to use like Windows. Windows has its own limitations too, and Mac has its own limitation as Apple. You know, there's some softwares that you cannot use on it. They have their own restrictions. Now, Friend plans to create their own operating system where you can use any software you want, and it's going to be safe from hacking and all the rest. It's going to be based on blockchain. So it's going to be the first operating system based on blockchain, and if it's well acceptable everywhere in the world, you'll be hearing of Friend, people using Friend as the operating system. And you know, some ICOs, what they plan to do is they will tell you what they want to do. If they've not really started to work on it, it's when they get the money, they started working on it after the ICO. But one thing I love about Friend is they are already working. They are already working. The Norwegian government is using it. Some investment or company is using them already, and I'm really impressed about that. Now let's go to Telegram. To the Telegram. Boom! 74,024 members are already in their Telegram. This is huge. Some ICOs you get 3,000, 4,000, 10,000, and this is 74,000. So the community is huge. I've not even checked on their Facebook or whatever, just the Telegram alone. So you can be sure that this ICO is really, really, really huge. A lot of people are getting involved about it. Now, let me take you to the Whois. Now, they registered this website on the March 14, 2016, and it will expire 2019. That's next year. They did it in 2018. So this website has been existing for a very, very long time. You know, 2016 is I mean, most ICOs, you see them, they have an ICO 2018, they created the website 2018. But these have been working for a few years, at least for two years now. Now, these registration contacts Ognin, Tystad, Friend Software Labs, and Stavanger in Norway. So you can see that they are ICOs based in Norway, and the registration contact on the Whois shows they are in Norway, not in Panama, in Hungary, or whatever. So it shows that they are unique. Now, if you are investing in an ICO, one of the first things you should care about, you should really, really care about, you want to know, is this the team member? Who are they? Are they real? Are they Photoshop? Are they scammers? No. One thing I really like is when I can check the team out and I know they are real, but I can go into the ICO. I'm going to show you a video that really shows that these guys are real. Friend Inventor, Ogni Tystad. Now let's go back here. This is the guy. This is the guy, ladies and gentlemen. This is the guy. Now let's watch this.
I started out in computers in 2001 as a developer in
So you can see him. You can see him. Let's go back.
Holland. Later on, I moved to the west coast of Norway, where I'm from, and I started working in an ad agency. Here, I built the web department. They had not been working with programming before, and so we built a really great team developing content management and other software for companies. This gave me the experience so that I could build my own company in 2011 with some partners. This company eventually turned into Friend in 2014.
This is okay enough for now. Now, if this guy can show himself, create a video, is this a scam? No way. I'm bullish on this. So these guys are real. Now we can also go here. They have a meetup, Friend Up meetup at Block Changers event in Oslo. I got to watch these videos where they talk about Friend and all the rest. So you can be sure that these guys are real. The team behind it, they are real. They are not scam. So if you want to ask what is my thoughts, you already know my thoughts. I'm going for this. I'm bullish about this. This is a nice project. Now they have something unique to offer, creating their own operating system, which many ICUs have not really done. And if these really worked out, now you have Mac, you have Windows, you have Linux or Ubuntu, and you have Friend on the blockchain, I can tell you this is going to be huge. But remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm doing this review for you guys. Make your own decision. Take your time and go through the white paper and join the Telegram, and you can sign up for the ICO. Thank you very much for watching my video. I love you guys. Please show me some love. Click the subscribe button and click the like button. Until next time, this is ICO Reviews.